In all your going outs and your coming ins, give thanks. In all your ups and your downs, give thanks. Morning thoughts, morning thoughts, morning thoughts. Welcome to Morning Thoughts, everybody. It's SouFLoTV, and this is our Morning Thoughts talk. Alright? You notice that I didn't put up any new video Saturday or Sunday. Right, and a bunch of things have been going on. Stay tuned to the channel. I will be covering everything that has been going on. I know some people, they like to hear stuff as soon as it breaks. I don't like to deliver as soon as it breaks, because what ends up happening is you think you're getting credible stuff, but there's more to the story than that. Right? So in an effort to give my audience the full story, I usually refrain from pushing a story out as soon as it happens, unless I have the 100 as soon as it happens. Now, just a little catch up on what's been going on. Stay tuned, because I'm going to cover the story about Mavado. Gangsta for life. Singer Mavado. Mavado was almost shot and killed. I'm going to cover that story today, right after this video, so stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for the whole squatter situation and rental properties in Jamaica situation. I'm going to cover that as well. Big up to all my people who are out this morning and about have to shake off that weekend, especially the ones that were party. And you know, say your party right up until this morning. Somebody come in this morning, man, and had to change from party clothes to work clothes. Barely got any sleep and had to go out back to work this morning. It's life. We do it. Right? I saw the thing go. Big up to them people there. Big up to the people because I say big up to them because although them a party out life, them still a work out life and have the capacity to balance the scales. Some people want party and just party all the time and can't put in the work part and want what everybody else who is progressive and productive have, and it can't work. So I don't want dash party people under the bus, because when it's my turn to party, you best believe my party time turn up, right? Matter of fact, in talking about that, listen, I've been asked to host some events coming up, and I don't want people feel like, say, SouFLoTV show so serious most of the time that I don't think him can host no party, because him not seem like the party type. Him not bring a party energy. Him look like him when I come at the party come discuss politics. No, don't look at me like that, because that's not what it is. By the way, if you like my shirt, you see this right here? This was hand drawn by a 6-year-old. Check it. That was hand-drawn by a 6-year-old, and I told my son that I would always wear this shirt because he drew it at 6 years old, and I thought, and still do think, this is amazing work for a 6-year-old to sit down with a t-shirt and do this. And at 6, he colored in the lines, but the coloring that he used, even the dog was brown, but the coloring that he used was washable. You could wash it out. So it was water-based coloring. Only the outline of the dog was a permanent marker. So that's what's left of it after I run it through the washing machine. And when I go traveling away from home and I can't see my kids and whatnot, I told him I would always use this as my pajamas. Like I would sleep in it, and I slept in it last night. Even though I'm not traveling, I slept in it last night, but I spent all day with him yesterday. Now, what else did I say this morning? Oh, little update on the baby and on brains. If y'all not tuned in to the vlog channel, which is BrainFlow.TV, right? BrainFlow.TV. That's a combination of brains and a beat, SouFLo, and it's our TV. If you're not tuned into that channel, you're probably gonna miss all the updates about the baby coming. If y'all don't know it, Brains is just about to have baby now. So we're looking forward to that. She's well rested, and someone was voicing their concern and saying it's time for y'all to stop traveling now. And because she put up a video what we did a couple of weeks ago when we were down in Miami, where we just sit down in a convertible car and we were having a conversation about Jamaicans and our Caribbean people and them late ethics, like they're late for everything kind of thing. And under the comment section, someone said, your wife need to be home with her feet up, relaxing, getting a lot of rest because it's getting close to delivery. But we let them know that she is home, and that was just a video that's about a couple weeks old. We just threw it up there because we thought the topic was interesting, the conversation was good, and it was well recorded. So pay attention to the vlog channel. Pay attention to SouFLoTV. If you're not subscribed, go subscribe to SouFLoTV. Matter of fact, pause this video, pull up a next screen, and go and hit subscribe and hit the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified, because that's where all the notifications going to be. Maybe the baby's first pictures and whatever else, all that is going to be there. On our way to the hospital, everything, whatever we're going to vlog about this baby and this what we got going on is going to be on SouFLoTV. Don't miss it. All right? Good. Last thing I'm going to talk about now, before I get out of here, is this. Someone said to me, I was reviewing some comments yesterday on old videos, and I saw where someone was saying something about, oh, Brain's gone. Remember when we did the spoof? We did a fake video saying, oh, Brain's left me, I'm a cat. I said, I'm kind of, oh my God. And people were like, boy, you really had me thinking that she really left you, you know, and then, but there were a lot of people that was like, yeah man, a long time I could have seen that I come, and all these other things. Me and Brain's been together for over 2 years now, okay? Solid, like, for over 2 years now, like, living together, all that for over 2 years now. So, anybody out who for this pop down and thinking it was something that had just started, we had wanted to weed out. But anyways, the comment that got me was, somebody said something about, SouFLo, you're not sex alright, man, because if you did a sex alright, it's amazing that grown people actually think that sex is everything still. Don't get me wrong, sex is very important in a relationship, right? Intimacy is even more important. And when the intimacy go with the sex, then everything is good. But check it. When you... Oh, my reply to that was, listen, if I'm out here building an empire and I'm busy to the point where you now get sex every time you want it and all that, and that's the reason you leave, then I'll be glad that you left. You know what I'm saying? I'll be glad that you left, because what you just did is you just cleared the way for another queen who is probably more, not probably, will be more focused on building an empire as well. And you ever seen when two people have share the same visions, the same goals, the same dreams, and they work together and put their pennies together, what they can accomplish? Because if I'm bringing a lot of bread to the table, imagine my queen bringing the same amount or even more. We about to really have a party in life, don't it? We about to really live up life. So if you think that sex is the end all be all, and you are gonna run left, a king that's building an empire, just because that, then by all means, go ahead. That was my take on that. And it's the same thing vice versa. I was telling a story about a female that I know that she's a registered nurse, right? And she works doubles. So at registered nurse with registered nurse salary, and she's working doubles, she's caking. You're talking about 16 hours every day, 4 days a week, and then she take 2 days off or 3 days off. So 4 on, 3 off is what it's called. And she's saying the same thing, like her and her husband don't even have time for each other. But she's glad she has somebody that's like her, because he run it just like that as well. Where they're focused now on using their heyday when the body can and the mind can to get everything in place. So when the days come, and if you live long enough on earth, you better know that days are coming where you're going to be like, oh, I just can't do it this morning. My back hurt. My knee hurt, my neck hurt, So you better put things in place while you can. You know what I'm saying? So when those days come, or those days might not come for you because you haven't had to batter yourself into old age. Like some people, I'm not knocking anybody how they make a living, but I'm saying you have old people that are still battering in them 50s and 60s and 70s even, to go see a 70-year-old stand up at Walmart, and not because they want to, just to stay busy, but because they have to. I don't ever want that to be me. Worse, I'm gonna live to be 70 years old, I have to be standing at Walmart talking about welcome to Walmart, or in the back of Burger King talking about welcome to Burger King, man, take your order. Like, no. I don't knock anybody that do it, but I don't choose it for myself, right? I want to be on a veranda or front porch, way up in the hills somewhere, with a big chalice, right? High into oblivion, and enjoying life. Hearing the birds, them sing about from a mile away, all if me deaf, and them something there. That's life. And moving when I feel like it. So, prioritize life. That's what I gotta say to you this morning. Prioritize life. There are some things there that aren't really that important that we put too much emphasis on. So prioritize life. Know where I work on and get there. Alright? The name of the game is progress and productivity. Big up on yourself and bless up, man. It's SouFLoTV. I'm going to leave it right here. One more look at my shirt. Done by Artistic 6-year-old. My Artistic 6-year-old. Alright? I'm out. He's 8 now. He's not 8 now, sorry. This was done by him at 6 years old, but he's 10 now. So I've had the shirt for a while. I'm out. Peace.